Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and I know it's been a little bit since I uploaded a video. It's not because I haven't been doing things, it's because I've had too many things going on. So I figured I'd just kind of catch everybody up with kind of an announcement video of what's been going on lately. And so starting off, if you haven't seen this, tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, United States, we're going to be doing a Q&A discussion with Matt Mike and Brian Julius and myself around Microsoft Power BI Cookbook and DAX, which was the kind of the thing that won the poll. So we'll probably be talking about a lot of DAX and that sort of thing, well as the book. So really appreciate everyone's support on the Power BI Cookbook third edition. To me, in my opinion, it's by far the best edition of that series. It's in color, which is just icing on the top. A lot of hard work was put into that book to make it really useful to as many people as possible. So excited to have that discussion tomorrow, and hopefully you guys will sign up and participate. I'll link the link to the event in the description of this video so that you can just click it and join if you're able. All right, so that is that. The Patreon has been going very well. So if you're not familiar with this, I'll also link this. But this is the No Calculate Guide to DAX, essentially. DAX for Humans, the No Calculate Guide to DAX. That's kind of the working title for it. But basically, where we're at right with this is we're at we got the proposal done, we've gotten feedback. I've got a second draft of the proposal out there. And I have a first draft of the detailed outline, which kind of lists out all the chapters and then all the different topics that are going to be covered in each of the chapters. So I've got that out there. I've been getting great feedback from my patrons that have signed up, and Tim Osborne and Jocko and Tom Gavin. So really excited to get Tom Garvin. Really excited to get this going, and that we're at this point in the book. Next we'll be putting a schedule and finalizing the detailed outline, and then putting together a schedule, and then we're going to start writing. So really appreciate everyone that signed up. So you can see, some of these names I recognize immediately, other ones I do not, but I'd really love to get to know, each and every one of these better. So Christopher, right? I see his stuff. His stuff's great on LinkedIn. And then let's see, AJ Kumar, I've actually been talking with him on LinkedIn privately. Mark Cunningham, Tom Garvin, of course, Tamer Juma, Alexis Olson, just really great people. I'm really appreciative that all these people have joined and are providing me feedback on the book as it's developed, right? Tim Osborne, right? John Days, Darren, and then the first person that signed up, right, was Brian Julius. This is Brian. The reason he got to be first is I've been discussing with him privately before I kind of set this all out, and I mentioned, hey, I'm thinking of doing this Patreon thing. And he's like, dude, sign me up. He wanted to be the very first person signed up for it. So that's why he's the first one. So because he knew about it before anybody else did. I do have, and let me turn off my background. You guys are going to see my boring office that I work in. None. There we go. So I do have, right, the 100 stickers. Just dropped it. So I've got 250 packs of stickers here of the sticker that won the most popular votes, right? You can see all those stickers right there. So I have those. I have the PO box. Again, I'll link that in the description. The address of the PO box. I haven't gotten any self-addressed stamped envelopes. So come on, people. You want the sticker? All it's going to cost you is a stamp, right? I don't know. Send me your address. I'll provide the stamp, right? Sticker Mule is pretty cool. They sent me a bunch of extra stuff, like when I ordered the 100 stickers, right? So they sent me all these extra stickers and a coaster. They sent me hot sauce, right? They gave me little individual packets of hot sauce and an actual full-size bottle of mule sauce, right? Which is actually pretty decent hot sauce. I have no idea what in the world hot sauce has to do with stickers, but pretty good at making hot sauce. I do have to give them that. So again, not an advertisement for Sticker Mule or anything, but first time I've ever really done anything with Sticker Mule. So I was kind of surprised at all the kind of little extra freebies and things like that. And I even, and you guys would be the first one to see this. So I even came up with a new sticker design, right? The murder board Greg. Right? So I use this, I made it a circle because I kind of use that in a lot of my profile pictures and stuff like that. And actually made it available in my store on, so there it is. I actually called it Murder Board Greg. So I thought that was hysterical. So yeah, I think that brings everyone up to speed on all the like kind of the recent goings-ons and announcements and stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and return back to my murder board, right? If I can find it. I don't see it at the moment, but whatever. So that's really all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.